I'm at a customer's job. I don't normally do this. Talk about life and stuff. I mean, I work on air conditioners. But when I get to a job, it's almost like I'm fixing the person before I fix the air conditioner. I have to put them at ease, tell them everything's going to be fine. And it is. Like, I can handle stuff. But it's amazing to me, people in their lives can't fix things or handle things. And I know some people are going to look at this video and go, oh, he's talking about me. No, I'm not. I'm just talking about people in general in our society. And it's that everybody thinks that there's going to be, that the buck doesn't stop with them. There's always going to be somebody behind them to handle the situation for them, to help them out. What happens when that's not the case? And not enough people in this world take that seriously. They just kind of go, oh, okay, fine, the next person will handle it. If this world just had more people with the attitude that I'll handle this now and just take care of it, man, this world would be a fantastic place. But that's what I feel the entrepreneur is. Somebody who's adventurous enough to go out and change their lives and do something different that other people don't have the courage to do. And that needs to be rewarded. And that's the thing that people forget about when they talk about, like, oh, corporations this or evil, and, you know, company owners are this or that. They were willing to put it out on everything on the line and handle their life and put everything at risk, but make it happen anyway. And that's what I've been doing for the last 12 years. I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's been a tough ride, but I want that for everybody, not to maybe open their own company, but take more responsibility in their lives to make a better life for them, for themselves, and the people in their lives as well. Stop and help somebody. Like, every day, just stop and help somebody. Take responsibility. That's it.